What's going on, guys? Tomorrow is one of the most anticipated days for the car build because guess what? We're gonna go to the dyno. It's a 4.5 hour drive. So today we're just gonna prep the car, the trailer, make sure we have everything so we can go on this road trip to get the car dynoed. It's probably one of the most anticipated things that we've done. And I just kind of want to make sure that we have all of the bases covered. There's the car. Right now, I'm just trying to gather all of the items that I need. So these are the things I'm going to bring with me on the dyno trip. This is a 440 fuel pump. I have an extra. I'm going to put these DEI boots onto the spark plug wires so we don't burn a wire. I have an additional coil, some new spark plugs, a bunch of tools, and a jumper box. God forbid I go down there and the car won't start or run or something wild. That will be just a total disappointment. So today we're just gonna go over the car, make sure it starts, make sure it's got a good oil pressure, put the boots on. Yeah, just kind of button it up. We're gonna load it onto the trailer and then go down 4.5 hours to Boca, I believe, and get this thing dynoed. So the first thing I'm gonna get done today is I gotta put on these sweet little wire boots from DEI. Put these on, hopefully it'll protect these spark plug wires. They can be a little finicky, especially this one. I'm worried about this cylinder specifically. The spark plug wire literally touches the header. See, it's even like I might need some new wires already, which is unfortunate. But these should protect them even more. And that's the idea. Well, that's the goal. Anyways, let's put these bad boys down all the way here. I had it on backwards. It'd help if I put it on right. DEI boots are on, and it still was a pain in the butt, but they're on. They look pretty good. That'll be an added level of protection so I don't burn up a wire all the time every time I run it hard, especially because we're going to be on the dyno. I don't know how this is going to go. I haven't done a dyno session ever, so this is going to be a learning experience for me. So I'm pumped. That's all the things that I need to bring to the dyno, really. Some fuel, some tools, the car, me. See how it goes, huh? That bumper on that car. Hey, guy. Hey, guy. It's a baby car, okay? Just a baby. Look at my kid. Look at this fucking thing. we have here? 366. Hey yo. Do again, yeah. Hey, come over here. Arabella. Arabella. Listen to her. Too far. She looks so good. The numbers, they're not great, but it's made for boost. Don't forget that. When we supercharge it, but we're gonna pro charge it. Fucking spicy. All right, boys, we just came back from the dyno. It is what it is. I will put the numbers up on the screen. Yeah. So we have some small chambered heads on the car. So they're like the 706 LS heads. I mean, this is basically a higher compression LS1 with a fast intake and big CC or bigger CC domed pistons. So it should make like mid 400s. It only made like 376, 377. But because we're gonna boost the car down the road, I don't think I'm gonna change the heads. I'm just gonna leave the heads and then we'll just pro charge it from there and see what it makes. Usually with the boost and everything like that, we can kind of pick up a ton of power. So I think that's the next step. But Freddie from Spec Tune was awesome. He hooked me up, got me on the dyno. We had a couple pulls, fixed like some things here and there. He also put in a new rife sensor on the intake. He gave me some pointers on some things I gotta fix with the car. But that's with the car, man. Overall, I'm so excited that it's finally done. I can kind of go rip on the car and we can go from there. Next step is tomorrow, probably, I'm gonna go rip it around the neighborhood and go from there. So that's probably it for this video. If you liked today's video, go ahead and give that thumbs up. Go Go ahead and comment down below what you want to see on the car next, what you want me to do with the car. I want to drift, so let's go. And then tell your friends about it, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace. Say bye.
Bye.